Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video a very stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more latest collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance. Some ideas spiky hairstyles, so beautiful collection of messy hairstyles. A stylish collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. And many much more beautiful ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Many much more latest beautiful collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye-bye.